Hi, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today we have opportunity to be here, traders, for a new section. Today we're going to have a privilege to trade live here, and I'm very excited because today we're going to do something new. 2 weeks ago, we have a video, but the video was in French because we wanted to explain our new product we're going to add in our trading arsenal. And the last video, if you remember, the last video we had in English, we tried to emphasize that inside the video, during the video, telling you guys that probably we'll have opportunity to add something new in our trading arsenal. That thing is the Forex trading. Yes, trader. In French video, we were talking about Forex, and we tried to explain to you guys that we're going to add Forex in our trading arsenal. Why? Because Forex gives us more options. For example, the time, the schedule, Forex is 24 hours, a day. So for those who doesn't have time like me, and most of you guys who still having your job, I think that is the best option for you as well. And before I go to talking about the privileges we have to add Forex in our arsenal, let's briefly talk about Forex. What those who doesn't know about Forex, what is Forex? What is Forex? For those who doesn't know, Forex, is a very simply to understand. It's the global, currencies, the exchange of the global currencies, buying and selling the global currencies or the international currencies. What does that mean? Is that when, let's say, you have dollars and you travel to Europe, and when you get to the Europe or some other countries in the world, like Mexico, for example, you won't. Some people don't they don't even know what is dollars. For those who come from US, the same thing for those maybe come from China. When you come from China to Europe, or you leave from Europe to China to go maybe do some shopping, when you get to China, you will need their currencies. They have their yen. Or you go to Japan, they have a Japanese yen. You have to exchange your money to those currencies. That is what we call Forex. So what happened is that when you exchange that currencies, you can buy, because when you go there, you go to Japan, you need a Japanese yen. Or you go to Britain, you will need the pound. And when you exchange that pound, that is what they call Forex. So, and how do people make money? There is a fluctuation between, euro and pound, or dollars and pound. Sometimes they tell you that dollar is up or it's down. So that is where you make money or you lose money during that fluctuation. So that is what briefly they call Forex, for those who doesn't know. Maybe in the future we'll have some courses about it, but for the moment we will just focus on those basics. So as I was talking, I was saying that Forex, why are we implementing Forex in our arsenal? It's because, as I said, we might have many privileges, particularly the time. The time to trade Forex is 24 hours, whereas the stock is open at 9:30 and close at 4. Since Forex is international market, People can trade it over the world, all over the world. So that is what gives more privileges. And also, to trade the stock requires a lot of money. You would need to have, if you live in US, you would need at least $25,000 to be a day trader. It means what? Get in and get out, get in and get out, get in and get out. That is what they call day trader. Maybe you do more than one trade a day or two. Get in and out. They call you day trader. So to do that in US, you need at least $24,000. But with Forex, you don't need so much money. You can start learning Forex with maybe $100. It depends of your goal or your strategy. So that is another good privilege. And with the Forex, you can go short, long and short at the same time. You don't need to have margin account or cash account like in stock in order to short the stock. So that is another privilege. That is why we decided to add Forex in our arsenal. So if you remember our introduction when we started this journey in 2023, I was telling you that this is Trade Africa is a huge, environment where we're going to meet a lot of different kind of traders or trading. This is an opportunity for us today to implement or to add the Forex. Who knows? Maybe tomorrow we'll add future or option or cryptocurrencies. Because when we're talking about Forex is now currencies. So we will sometimes trade, we can trade a Bitcoin in Forex as well. So this is a good opportunity to learn, to learn how it works. And step by step, we will, master it small, and we'll become a profitable trader. This will never happen overnight. You gotta take time, trader. You gotta take time, But this is the good opportunity for you and I to learn together. Because from maybe January or something like December, January, we are trying to, every day here in this channel to have a live session of trading. So we'll start trading live in our channel here, the Forex, for those who don't have time, for those living maybe in US who have time in the evening. We will open here probably at 7:30, Eastern time. I'm talking about PM, 7:30 PM, from 7:30 PM to 8:30 PM. So we'll have something like 1 hour trading session, and we're inviting you guys, those who maybe never heard about Forex, or those who like to trade but never have buying power or never even know where to start. I think this is opportunity, to trade. Because if, let's say, you have $100, you sacrifice that $100 to start learning how to trade, I think you're not losing anything, because you're going to, learn something. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to learn, but $100 is enough. Or even though you don't even have the $100, you can open a demo account. To have a live demo account on stock, let me tell you, it's very, very, very difficult. Most of the broker giving you a demo account, those demo always has 15-minute delay. But with Forex, you will find a lot of brokers giving you a direct, a live demo account, which is very, very, very important to learn. So this is another opportunity for those who want to join trading. You can learn how to trade here without any money, but having a live demo account. You don't need money. For those who want, when you start with the demo, you might not go in after starting with it. You might not put the $100, even $50. There are many brokers, forex broker, who they accept $50 to open an account with them, because it's also important sometimes to trade with the real money, because that will help you to to test your psychology. For example, I open an account here. My account, this is my first broker. I open an account with like the life you see here. I just cover my account and all my equity. So you can see here I'm live. This is the live account. Live account now. I'm trading the pair. This pair is Great Britain. As you can see here, this is the Great Britain versus US dollars. That is the pound versus US dollars. So this is the trade I took. As you can see here, I'm live and I'm now down 15 cents because I'm taking mini lots. Mini lots here is 0.01. Anyway, when you guys will start learning what is this Forex, you will understand how many share you can take, the lot, the mini lot, and so on, the size, because you need to learn. If you learn the Forex, how it works, you will understand the pip size, and you will understand how many how can I say unit is for a mini lot or a lot itself, and so on and so forth. Those you need to learn, to understand. But if you don't know yet, don't worry about it. We will get there. We get to that point. When we start having courses, or you can even go to YouTube if you want to. You can go to YouTube and check Forex. You will also have some free courses there on YouTube. So today is my first day going live with trading Forex, because this one I just started 2 months ago, and I'm trying to, spend more time trading Forex instead of trading stocks, because Forex gives me flexibility. With the Forex, I can trade. For example, today is Sunday. Stock, you cannot trade stock on Sunday. Stock on Sunday is closed. So, but the Forex is open, because Forex start trading at 5 p.m. on Sunday, and they're going to close on Friday 5 p.m. So, but the market or the stock market open Monday, 9:30, that is the official time, and close Friday at 4. So, but with Forex, you have opportunity to trade. Look at now, it's already 7:30 p.m. Eastern time, but I'm trading. I'm here sitting in my desk, on my desk, rather, trading here live, as you can see. This is the good opportunity. That is why I want to focus myself on it, because I had a strategy on the stock. I was getting up earlier, around 4 a.m. That was my strategy, because I was doing everything to go to my job site. But I was having a negative, effect of that, because when I wake up earlier at 4, I don't sleep well. As a father, husband, and CEO of the company, all those joined together, it was giving me a lot of headache. So that is what I was trying to figure out, if there was something else I could have done. And fortunately, it came out that the Forex is here, flexibility. I can, so that is why I jumped Forex now. I'm trying to see how I can learn it, and I can master it, and I can find, a suitable strategy to trade Forex. At this time, trader, I can tell you that I haven't get a proper strategy because I just started Forex. I've been trading for more than 4 years. But trading is trading. No matter what you trade, that the rules are the same. You trade future, option, Forex, cryptocurrencies, or whatever. The money management is the money management. If you know how to manage money, you will manage. If you know how, because all those resume on support and resistance. So trading is a trading. But you need a strategy to be profitable trader. What do I mean by strategy? Strategy means a set of rules accompanied with a setup. You need a setup, which, for example, saying that if I see that the stock, maybe the chart, as you can see here, the candlestick chart, it does this, it does that, that is my entry point. Let's say you are a reversal trader, or you are a breakout trader, or whatever, For example, you see the trade came down here and hit the support. And when it hit the support here, it started consolidating, as you can see here. And that was my entry. That is why along this stock, as you can see, along this ticker. So along the ticker here, why? Because I saw the consolidation, more than 30-minute consolidation, 1 hour, almost. Now along it, because I'm expecting this ticker to keep continuing up. So that was my setup. So I need to figure out if those setup, maybe reversal, how I'm going to arrange them in such a way that they become my strategy. And that must be accompanied with a lot of rules, because trading is a rule. Strategy is the number of rules, things you should do or should not do. And when something happens like it does this, you do this. Those are the rules. So the combination of all that they call strategy. And the time, what time you trade, and all those things. And what kind of ticker you take. So all these are rules, and we call it strategy. And you will know all those things by taking time, by trading for a long time. You understand? It will not come overnight. And each person must have his own strategy. The strategy working for me may not necessarily work for you. So you need to come out with your personal strategy. Why do you think that it work for you? And that gotta take time, guys. You gotta take a lot of time. And you will take time by trading every day. As long as you're placing trade, you keep trading the same thing over and over, you will start readjusting mistakes you make, and at the end of the day, that it will, become your strategy, particularly if you find out that what you're doing work. So I'm here trading. I have to spend time, maybe 6 months or 1 year, whatever, to see what's going to work for me in the forex market. So it's like I came out with a strategy when I was doing the stock market, but my strategy was a little bit difficult because I have to do it at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. with the penny stocks. So that was very, very difficult because not all brokers give you penny stock to short. It's very difficult, and also you have to wake up at 3:30. So that was very, very, very difficult, and I couldn't keep doing it for a long time. So now, if during this time I'm trading, as you can see here, and I come out with a good strategy, that will help me to keep going, because it will give me flexibility. Because flexibility is very, 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 very important. Because when things are flexible, you can readjust the time according to your schedule. So, trader, that is the good news for us. I invite most of you guys, especially those who follow our program, to join us. As I said, maybe we will start trading here live. maybe 4 days a week. We will start from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. So you guys gotta keep it in mind. For those who want to join us, our live gotta be free of charge. You guys don't need to pay anything. You just need to log in and or to tune in and join us in our channel. So today, as you said, I'm here trading. I took one trade, but it's consolidating. I gotta find out a different trade I can place here. Now we'll see. Euro Australia. Let me see. Euro Australia. Remember that Forex is trading by pairs, whereas stocks, you don't need pair stocks to trade. You can trade Tesla, Apple, because you buy share and sell shares. But here you need 2 pairs in order to trade. Because as I told you, Forex is exchange of currencies. You sell this, you get this one. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can exchange Euro versus the Australia dollars. So this is the Euro versus Australia dollars. Let me find it here. Euro versus Australia dollars. Let me see if I have it here. Euro versus Great Britain. Euro versus Australia. Because sometimes, okay, here we are. Sometimes our broker don't give you a possibility to exchange or to trade that ticker. So let's see here. Euro versus Australian dollars. Okay. Now you can see here it's on the resistance side. Let me put 5 minutes. It opened here and it opened at the lower, and now it went up. So those are the two. When you see one, the first one, you see euro here and Australian dollars. So you can even go to your Google and Google it, euro versus Australian dollars. You're going to see that the difference is 1.62452. That is the differences between euro to the Australian dollars. So if you want, you can buy euro here. You go and sell it in Australian dollars. If you go up, you will make the difference. You take the fluctuation, you gain with the difference. So trading is the trading. Yeah, trading is trading. There is not difference, support and resistance. If you can master all that, it will be fine. So you need a money management. My money management helped me. How am I applying it here? The money management traders. Okay. When you start something you don't really master, let's say you want to learn how to maybe to sell something. Let's take that example. Let's say you see your friend is selling cars, vehicles, and he tell you, hey, you know what? He tell you that he's doing great selling vehicles, and you said, okay, I'm going to join you, man. I want to start learning it to do the same. So what should you do? Yeah, what is recommended? What are you going to do if you want to learn how to sell vehicles? Are you going to join? Let's say you have a lot of money. Yes, you have a lot of money. The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to order 2,000 cars and rent the parking lot and now start parking those cars there and start selling? Traders, what are you going to do? The first thing to do is to learn. You're going to start learning how to sell cars. Maybe, why not even join, your friend. Start even working for him for a couple of months just to see how things going, how you negotiate, how you can, start, how to handle matters, how to, where to even buy cars, how to sell them. Those difficulties people encounter when they're doing car business. That is the first thing. If you're really a smart man, that is where you have to start. You will never, somebody who, is really smart will not jump and go and order 2,000 cars and rent a parking lot and say, hey, you know what, I have a lot of money and I'm going to do that. Because you're going to fail. Failure is close to you because you don't know anything about cars. It's not because you have a lot of money that you're going to make money. No. You need experience. You need to try. Start learning how to do it yourself. And that got to take time. It won't be overnight, traders. Likewise, when you start, let's say, I was trading stocks, and now I deviate from stock to, it's not that I stopped trading stock. No, I'm not saying that. We're not going to stop trading stock here. Stock's still something we will keep doing, depending on our schedule. So imagine now that since I start now trading Forex, I don't know much. When I say I don't know much about Forex, it means what? I don't know how. The candlestick, the patterns, the behavior of, the Forex market, it's how I behave. I don't really know. I will know when I'm trading like this, placing trade. That is how I'm going to know how the Forex market behave. So tell me, what is the best thing to do? If I have money, should I go and pour that money on the Forex, saying that I'm coming to look for money, I'm going to make money? No. That is not a good approach. No, never. If you do that, you're going to lose a lot of money. And that is a mistake a lot of traders, the novice, follow. When they start something, especially trading, they come here thinking that they're coming to make money. No, you're coming to learn, trader. You're coming to look for experience. And by looking for this experience, you're going to lose money. So what you got to focus on is how much you're going to lose to get that experience, trader. How much you're going to lose. And the first thing to do is to do what? You need to reduce the money you put in on the market. To reduce it smallest as possible. When you reduce the money, and reducing means what? Taking small shares. This is something took me a long time. It took me a long time, many years to understand. And it will take you probably. If you don't listen to me, you're going to fall in the same trap. Because people come to the trading saying that they come to make money. Yes, you will make money when you already have experience, but you cannot make money when you just started. When I say started means what? It might take you 1, 2, 3, 4 years, even 5. Yes, it's true. So, when you start trading, you need to understand that you're going to lose money. But how much are you going to lose? That is the question. That's going to depend on how many trades you take. For example, on Forex, the minimum, they call it mini lot, is 0.01. 0.01 is a very a small quantity. But with that, you might still lose a lot if you're not careful. Depending where you're going to place your stop. As you can see here, for example, I took this trade for a long side. I placed my stop here. My stop is here because I'm more concerned about my risk management. This is the larger amount I never give on the stop. As you can see, I don't place my stop too far from like this, but this one I did. I placed it here, saying that if this trade come down to this point, this is my stop. I will stop out. So I'm intended to lose maybe $1 something on this trade because I took a small quantity of shares. It doesn't mean that I don't have money to take 10 times, 100 times what I took here. I do, but I don't take it. Why? Because I'm just trying to see how the Forex market behave. I'm trying to see how it behave. By seeing how it behave, it will help me to draw the conclusion and to find out my strategy. That is it, traders. So we're going to see as we will trading, we will reduce our losses. Reducing our losses means taking small. That is where it starts. And when you take small, you have to place the stop. You place your stop. For example, we have a US card. Let me see US card here. It means what? US versus US dollar versus Canadian dollars. US dollar versus Canadian dollars. Let me see. Versus Canadian dollars here, as you can see here. Okay. Now, this trade I'm checking to see in case it break here, the top resistance here, I might go long on this trade. Let's see. Let's see the trade. I'm trying to see. I'm going to place my horizontal. Okay, my trade is coming down to my stop. Let's see. Coming down to my stop here. As you can see, my stop is here. Always place a stop in the market, trader. Stop will help you to know how many dollars you're going to lose. Very, very important. Very, very, very important. Okay. Let me go back. This is Australia versus Canadian. Let's see. Australia versus Canadian dollars. The market is coming down. I'm looking to see which trade I can place here. Australia versus Canadian dollars here. Let me place 1 minute candle. All right, here we haven't seen a good opportunity here. I haven't seen any good opportunity which I can jump on. I'm still sitting here on sideline, waiting. I don't want to place trade because I want to place, but I need to see opportunity before I place a trade. So let's see. Let's follow this trade and see. I'm the trade approaching my stop traders. As you can see here, doing here, going to lower high and lower lower and lower high and lower lower. It keep coming down. So let's see where it's going. Let's see. My stop is here. Hopefully we'll have a big reversal here. Let's watch. Let's watch here. Okay, I'll be back. Great. Okay, trader, I'm back. Thank you for those who are watching. So we're now watching and searching for opportunity, which I hasn't seen. This trade I just took it when it was when the market just opened, and a few minutes later I jumped on this trade, but it wasn't a good trade. As you can see here, it's coming down. I was expecting it to break here on top because I saw the break, because this is where I entered. My entry point was here, traders. It was here. When the break, this resistance, and I jump on it. But as you can see, it's giving me a hard time. It turned down here. So my stop is here at the lower. If you break those two double bottom here, come down, I will get out of the trade. That is my start. So let's watch and see what's going to happen. Let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. Unfortunately, today this live is only in English. We will do another live another day in French. We used to do bilingual, but unfortunately today we didn't do it. I'm sorry about that. Really sorry, but for French people, we're going to do the on in French. So I'm sorry. Okay. Euro versus US. Euro versus US. Let's see. So we're still watching and see. Today the markets open is Tokyo open at 7 p.m. Eastern, and also Australia, which started at 5 p.m. Eastern. So normally we're supposed to have a movement. The movement could have in the Japanese versus Australia, but we haven't get anything. Australia versus Japanese. We're supposed to to move here, but we haven't get anything. Even US, Japanese, you know, Euro Japanese. So we haven't get anything better. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Watching. It's 8 almost p.m. Eastern time here. So we're still watching. We haven't seen anything moving here, which you can jump on it. So don't forget that today is the opening day, of the trading session for the Forex. So things are so quiet here. And, hopefully we see some movement maybe a little bit later. So, but seeing the market open today, things are a little bit slow to move. You might take trade when you see a movement. You can take a trade, but if you don't see anything, how are you going to trade? That'll be very difficult. So, but this one, US versus Japanese, here, what is the spread here? Very, very important. The spread. Okay, spread 5. So, this one, I might look at it to see if maybe I might, take it for a short and place you know, my stop on top here. But I'm thinking, anyway, I gotta wait and see. Gotta wait and see. I'll wait and see. I think if I change take it with a heavy time frame, you can see that 15 minutes here, you see this 15 minutes. So there was a gap up, as you can see here. Sometime when the gap is up here, you might come and close the gap at the bottom. Sometime it does that. That is 30 minutes. Let me see 1 hour time frame. Okay, you see the consolidation. Hasn't done anything. So we need to wait and see. I put back 5 minutes. Let's see. Watching, trader. This trade is a recording, so we're going to release it when we finish trading here. But next time we'll just go live right away. Australia. Let me see here. You already closed the gap, as you can see. Open lower here, you went here, you closed the gap. So we might be thinking about short. Euro Australia. Let me see Okay, you have a lot of big spread here, traders. This is not something we can take because the spread is too big. I don't want to involve in that. So I'm interested on something with a low flow, low spread. I mean, this is the trade I'm in. This is Great Britain. This is the pounds versus US dollars. So I'm here. I don't know what they're gonna do, but I'm still waiting and see the direction they're gonna take. So let's watch. Australia, no, New Zealand. Here, let me see. Australia, New Zealand here. Okay, he's doing the, he's on the going lower. High, high, and high, low. High, 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 low. Okay, and let's see, traders. Let's keep watching. Let's watch here. Let's see. If we see any movement here, we will be able to take the trade. You know, today, unfortunately, don't have a lot of movement in the market to allow us to take the trade. You know, maybe tomorrow evening, maybe we'll have those opportunity. Might have the opportunity tomorrow. Australia, New Zealand here. Let me see. Australia, New Zealand here. Watching. Japanese is coming down. If you break this support, I might go short. Let me see. Euro Japanese. The spread is not too big, but it's considerable. Euro Japanese, US Japanese as well. Japanese is coming down. You can see how you can see, you know, how it got down here from here to here. It means that we might have some movement soon. Let's see. Watching. US Japanese. Watching. Watching here, nothing major. Trader, we have already been here almost more than 45 minutes, 50 minutes here. So we're going now to 1 hour. We'll see. Let's pay attention and see. Hopefully, next 15 minutes we'll see any movement here. So movement, So let's keep watching. You're going to make money in the market, traders, when there is movement. If maybe things are moving up or down, that is how you're going to make money. You will never make money in the market when there is a consolidation. You need market to move, moving up or down for you to make money. So when there is no movement, things are stable. It's very difficult. It's difficult to make money or to lose money. So let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. Okay, let me see US Japanese here. US Japanese. For US Japanese here, I see the movement here. Traders. I'm waiting to see if this ticker cross this level. Now I might involve. I might get involved at this point. So let's see. Let's see. Let's watch. Let's watch here. Trading is patient. You know, it's like when you go fishing. You gotta wait and the best time, for you to fish. You will not just go there anytime or maybe do whatever you can. You gotta wait, be patient. Even the hunter, that's how they do. So trading is the same. You need to be patient. Patience is the key. Otherwise, you're going to throw all your money everywhere. I know it's not easy to be patient, but you have to cultivate. It's one of the quality, trader must cultivate, which is patience. So I've been here for a couple of hours because before even I tune in, I was already here for 1 hour. So that is how I work. Let's see. I'm still here. This is the trade I took. You see that it's not working. Try to figure out, see how this trade might come here and break this resistance. That is what I'm expecting it to do, but never done that. So I'm still waiting to see. If it hit my stop, that's fine. But not hitting my stop, I'm still in. Let's watch. Watching here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is my daughter. Thank you. So, traders, as you can see, I'm trading home, and my daughter came to see me, and I'm very happy. So, I'm, recording this from my house. My family, you can hear the background. So, she came and gave me something to eat. That's fine, but she didn't know that I was live. But anyway, so thank you for her. Let's keep watching our stuff. I mean, our our trade, because we're not trading stocks here. We're trading forex. You know. So let's keep watching. I need this to go all the way to break this resistance and keep going. That is my plan. That is what I'm expecting you to do. You know, but it seems to not be easy, but it's possible. Forex is not like a stock. Stocks to do this is very difficult. But forex, if you decide to do it, it will just be one candle might go here all the way to the top. You know, so that is how it happens. But for the stock, it's a little bit harder to see the bigger candle. You know, the big spike, but it happens sometimes. But in forex, it's common. That is why you need to trade here with your stop, because stop will help you in case there is big, because there used to be bigger spikes in forex. No, more than the stops. That is why you need the hard stop. Hard stop will help you to prevent you big damage. So let's keep watching and see. Let's keep watching, traders. Hopefully we'll see this, upside. As you can see, that is what I'm expecting him to do. We might see the upside. Okay, here we go. I told you that if forex is easier to see this kind of spike. Here we go. See, waiting here. This was my entry. I want him to break this resistance and keep going. But he might pull back, Let's watch, traders. Let's watch. Let's watch here. Maybe I will turn green soon. But let's see. This is 1 minute candle. Watching. The breakout. Maybe you might pull back. Watching. Watching for the continuation. Maybe you might see a pullback and then the breakout. That is the micro pullback. All right. Watching, trader. Maybe you might see a pullback here and then continuation. Watching. Those kind of candles usually, is common on forex. That is why, trader, I recommend you guys to trade with a hard stop. Trade with the hard stop. Usually they said the best traders, some traders who already, trading for a long time, don't need a hard stop. But that is false, man. On forex, it's very dangerous to not trading with a hard stop, because one, movement like this is going to freeze you, and when you get freeze, the stock is, the ticker keep going against you. You will not be able to cut your loss. That is why it's recommendable. It's recommended to trade with a hashtag here. I mean, that is my humble opinion. You might do whatever you want, but that is what I think. I've been trading for a while, but I know how to cut my loss, but here on the Forex, I was not able. Yeah, when it start coming against me, I don't know what to do because the, the losses are huge. Yeah. So hopefully we'll see this. As I said, pull back here and then break out. Let's see. Let's watch. US Japanese here. Let me see US Japanese. Japanese does the same thing. Okay. Keep pulling back here. Okay. So this one, this is the resistance here, and this is the range is creating. This is the range. So you need to get out of this range for me to get involved. Yeah, you need to get out of this range. Okay, the one I'm trading here is pulling back. As I told you, we might see this reversal. You know, as you can see, this is the resistance. You know, the former resistance here, and this is the range is creating as well. Normally, I was supposed to wait it to come out from the range before getting involved, but I get involved. I got involved. Yeah, that is what I did. Went out of this range at this point, traders, and I jumped on it here. This was my entry point. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I jumped on it at this point to ride it up, but unfortunately, it rejected. As you can see, it went down and it's doing this, what it's doing now. And you can see that it came here, it tried to get up, but now it's coming down again. Let's see what about it to do. Let's see. It's coming down. That was the resistance, difficult to break. Yeah, very difficult to break, but hopefully we'll see it. Euro Japanese here trying to break now. Euro Japanese, if Euro Japanese break any hole, am I? Let me see Euro Japanese. Euro Japanese. Okay, 07. If you break here any hole, I will see if I can go. Okay. Okay, your Japanese is coming there. I'll wait and see. If break is breaking, your Japanese breaking. Traders. Let me see if it hold. If it's going to hold, so that am I long? Am I riding up? Let's see. Let me see if you're gonna hold. breaking, great. Let's see if it's going to hold. Rejected. Let me see here. This our stock is reversing now. My eyes still in the other Japanese. Don't worry about that. I have other, you know, monitor here where I'm monitoring the order ticker. So this is uh, the one with reversing. Now it's coming back, hopefully. Okay, let me go back to Euro Japanese. Okay, Euro Japanese break. Euro Japanese breaking. It's holding. Yeah, it's holding. Let me long it here, trader. Along Euro Japanese. Let's see. I could have waited for the retest, but sometimes just doesn't do that. Just go all the way. Let's see. Let's see. My stop here is below this candle here. I was supposed to check the stop before I get involved. That was a mistake. It's not good. You have to check your stop before you enter the trade. Okay, I'm here. All right. Euro Japanese is going. It's a good trade. Also, we have Euro Japanese here. US Japanese. Okay. This is Euro Japanese. Let me also check US Japanese. US Japanese also break. It's rejecting. You see the rejection. See the rejection. Hopefully. Let me see if it does good. I might get involved also on US Japanese. Let me see US Japanese. Yeah, let me see where Japanese my stop gonna be at this candle. I need to take US Japanese as well. Okay, my stop is here below. My stop is here below this red candle. Let me place I don't place the stop was not activated. The stop wasn't activated here. Activate my stop, traders. Okay, I have two trades working here, traders. Euro Japanese, US Japanese. They are working fine for me, but only the other trades here, pounds versus the other one now working. Okay, let's see. Watching. This one is coming to hit my stop, but okay, let's see. Euro Japanese moving very well. Let me see the resistance where I gotta stop. Okay. I don't know. Let me see. Okay. I don't have any resistance yet. Let's see what you're gonna do. Let me put at 4 hours and see where I might get out of the trade. I will see where I can get out of the trade here. Okay, that is a new high. Oh, I see here. 4 hours. So I'm now on the support. It went so quick, man. Yeah, it went so quick. As you can see, I'm on the support here. You have to break this support before it does something good. This is the support. The resistance. The resistance, I mean. You know. Yeah. That is the resistance, and it's below here on the support of this area here at this point. So 1 hour. Hopefully they're going to break here. I want it to break. I want it to break, traders. Sometimes, you need to let the stock move. Sometimes, because when you don't let your trade move in, sometimes you might miss out. But it's true that you're going to also to miss your profit, but it happened. It happened. Let me see this one. This one doesn't do anything. Watching here, traders. Let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. You can see here that I'm in green, both trade, but rejecting here. I'm expecting for the continuation. Let's see. I expect the continuation and the breakout. I want the breakout here, the continuation of the trade. Let's see. You can do it. You can do it. Let's see. This is just the starting movement. So I think maybe something might happen here. Let's see. See the big consolidation here. I expect the consolidation, the breakout consolidation here. Continuation. Watching. Watching traders. Okay, I'm still in red there. Watching. Watching. Let's see. I don't mind if I have a losing trade here because the trade was just 50 cents, but I didn't get what I was expecting. If I have a losing trade, that's fine. I will take it. I will take it. Let's see. Let's see. Watching. Watching here. There's Euro Japanese moving. Watching. I'm still watching here to see where it's going. If it come down, I will take a loss. You know, take a loss there because I was expecting the trade to give me a little bit more compared to my my stop, my risk. If it doesn't give me that, I will definitely get out of the trade with a loss. There's nothing I can do. So let's see. My risk is below this, the red candle. So let's see. All my trade are, red now. Let's see. Watching. One kick me out. I'll get out. Let's see. Watching. That is my three trades I'm in. That is a zero point, rather 0.01 lot, which is a mini lot. So let's see. Watching. Watching here. Watching. Twitter. We're Japanese here. We're Japanese. My stop is here, so it came close to my stop. Let's watch. Watching. Twitter, that is how we learn by applying our rules, you know, and that is why it's important to take small because you will learn how to follow your rules. Especially, you need to see how you follow your rules when you're losing. When you're losing, that is where you see how you implement your rules. Rules are easy to follow when you're winning. When you're winning, it's easy to follow the rules. But when you're losing, that is a time when it's very difficult to follow rules. Because when you're losing. Now I turn green again. Let's see. Watching. Watching. There is 1 minute candle here. Traders. Turn green again. Let's see. Hopefully this time we're going to break and go for the continuation. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Now let's see the breakout here. That is our resistance. Let's go for the break. Watching. See the huge pullback. Huge pullback. Rejection. Let's see. Okay. Watching. Watching. Watching here, traders. Expect this continuation and a break. You know, watching. Let's watch here, readers. The ticker have problem to break, but let's see. Hopefully, we'll have this breakout here and a continuation. Let's follow it. Watching. Watching here. We're watching here. Sometimes I used to trade with the technical analysis, but you know, this broker don't save my technical analysis. Let me see if I can put it here. I don't have it saved in this, broker. I used to save it, but that's fine. Next time, I need to trade with the VWAP, you know, with the EMA. So, but today I don't have it in my chart. But hopefully next time we'll get it here. Get them. So watching. Watching here. Turn green too. So trader, we're having the breakout here soon. Yep. We're gonna have a breakout. Great. It was obvious. We're having a breakout soon. Obvious breakout. So let's see. Expecting breakout here. I'm patient. Let's see. That's the first attempt, but it didn't go through. Let's wait for the second one. Let's wait for the second attempt. Hopefully, we're going to have a good breakout. Wow. Look at the rejection. Wow. Wow. I'm out of the trade. Wow. The problem of this is that it's very difficult to know what's going to happen next because you don't have a level 2, you don't have, time and sell, but it's a little bit hard. But anyway, let's see. We saw the big, rejection, huge candle going down. I don't think that, you know. So, wow. I went from good green to deep red. Wow. Just came to take me out of the trade and reverse. Wow. Let's see. I'm still there, but it was just close to take me out. Look at the candle here from here to right down. That is a huge spark, huge candle. That is why it's very, very important to have a stop on the market, you know, because otherwise, let's say you were carrying a lot of, you know, unit here and it just come down like this and you don't have stop. Right away you're going to freeze, you know, because you wouldn't know what to do right away. And then it kick you out. You can't even get out. Keep going down, going against you. Keep losing and losing and losing and losing. That is what happened. That is why it's important to have a stop in the market. Very important. You saw the rejection. It came here like you want to break, it didn't break. The rejection here with a huge spark down. Traders. Huge spark down. So I don't think that we're going to make it, but I don't think so. I don't. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe. Who knows? Market is a little bit tricky, difficult to know what's going to happen next. But let's see. If he go back there, he might break and keep going. So let's see. I mean, my stop was well placed. The place where I put my stop was good. You know, it was a good spot. I think. So let's see. Let's see. Watching. Watching. We see a lot of rejection here. The trade want to go up, the rejection always keep pushing it down. It means that if you break this part, it will go far away because people are sitting here don't want it to show, show up. Anytime you show up here, you see the rejection. Show up, you see the rejection. Very, very difficult. So this one as well have been causing me trouble for a while. This is a pound versus US dollars. Pound versus US dollars. Never done anything. So maybe I might try to get out of that trade. Pounds, it came here trying to go up, but it keep coming down. Maybe I might just get out of that trade. Yeah, because it's not doing anything. Keep, you know, causing me too much trouble. I don't know what you're gonna do, but I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Watching here. Gotta be 9 soon, p.m. Eastern. This is a pound versus US dollars. Let's see. Turn green again. Let me see if you're going to break again. Yeah, you're trying to come now for the breakout. This is my breakout here. So let's see. Euro versus Japanese. Let's see. I want it to break. I want the breakout here. That is what I'm expecting. Break. If it break, I might get out of the trade right away. In case it pull back, I want it to break. Yep. Here we go. Here we go now. Here we go. Great. Keep going. Yes, you can do it. Yep. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Yep. Yep. Wow, that's it. Okay. Trader, I might try to get out here. Yep. Let's see if you keep going. Let's see. Okay, I'm out of that trade, trader. Okay, I'm out of that trade as well. I gotta get out of this trade as well. Yeah, that was a very nice trade. Both two trade was nice. Yeah, I don't want to keep holding. I don't have the reason why I gotta keep holding that trade. So this one was not doing anything. I can go get out of this trade because it's not doing much. Get out of that trade as well because the trade is not doing much. So traders, I think that was a very nice two trade, fantastic trade. You keep going, but that's fine. So I went out of the trade. Great. The reason I went out was that I didn't want the trade to. So my risk was fulfilled. I mean, was nice. Yeah. So that's fine. I got what I got, and I'm happy with what I got. So trader, that is an example of how can I call it? The Forex trading. We played 3 trade and we won 2 and we lost 1. So the 2 trade was nice and nice place, nice done. The stop was there. You saw example of stops and that you have to play the stop on the market and you have to know to put the stop, place your stop according to the price action, not the dollar amount, but the price action. So you saw how I did it and it works. It was nice and neat, and then we made some money. So next time, traders, that is how we will keep doing together. We'll place the trade and see how the trade will work. So that was a nice trade, and that was a nice session too. And I hope next time we'll be here, maybe tomorrow again, for the continuation. I want to thank you very much. For those who hasn't you know, subscribe to our channel, go ahead and do it, and so that you will not lose any trade, and you can activate your bell. So have a wonderful evening, morning, and night. Bye. See you again.